My country people are hello, I greet you now. When I welcome for football and Pidgin. After match, talk am how you see am. Ghana 0 and Uruguay 2. We get MC Bishop, we be like saying Ogbonge person, Ogbonge football fan, make tell us about how he see the match and also how he see our Ghanaian brothers their performance. Now, how you see Ghana performance? We'll start from there first. How you see Ghana performance for this match?
Man, so painful actually, but at least we drag them go the pit of air too. We not be only us come out. And I'm so happy say Uruguay not qualify, Ghana not qualify. But if you pay me say Uruguay qualify, if you pay me well because my Ghanaian brothers like they are suited for that collapse for there. But we see get choice say they're not qualify, we not qualify. So everybody go 50-50. That be my happiness.
Okay, make I ask you now, guy MC Bishop now. We don't see can teams so far. Only two now remain. But we know say even those two where they go out now, where they come back to Africa, they still try, even if they no cross group stage. But we don't see a Bonga football from these four African teams. Now, which African player you think say don't stand out past? Which African player you say be the best player so far among the 5 African countries where go represent Africa for inside this World Cup?
You know now, Ziyech. Ziyech is the car player when I don't see when they all do well, you know. And Mendy, Ziyech, those two guy, man, they be fire, and I feel them. I shot, they go reach final. The way they go, England they learn. Normally they go reach final because that Mendy, the guy they grab for this World Cup, and for Ziyech, guy, he's ready to do more, and he's hungry for more. That's it.
So you don't talk about Mendy now, and you believe say England they go see Pepe tomorrow. So but make we ask you now about that match now. What do you predict between Senegal and England game for the knockout stage? What will be your prediction?
That match go reach penalty because that match go stop 2-2. Go na 2-2 draw. Na penalty game. Because I know say Senegal guy they get good defense so. Not forget Koulibaly na their day. So even Mendy, the guy they try. So it go hard for England to misbehave with goals matter. I tell you, that match go end draw, 2-2 draw.
But among all the games we don't watch so far for the World Cup, now which game now you think say now it makes sense pass among the ones where you don't watch? Where you say, okay, now this one be the best match so far among the ones that don't play for the World Cup.
For me, the one I enjoy pass, na France Australia. That's my only game. I don't know about others, but France Australia is my best game.
That'd be your own best game.
Yes.
But
I enjoy them.
Okay, among all the teams winning this World Cup now, plus the African teams, the ones who still remain, the European teams, the teams who come for South America and the rest of the world. Now, which team you they predict say go win this World Cup?
Wow, Morocco in my mind. Portugal in my mind. But no way for Argentina this time.
Let's say Ronaldo fans.
Surely you know. CR7, now my guy. But that team, they solid. Only that team, no. They're solid. They don't lose to this because they not get any reasons to play. But watch out for Portugal, Morocco, these two countries. I believe them.
So they go deliver.
Yes, they go deliver, yes.
All right. All right, now, MC Bishop. Thank you for your time.